There's no issue starting small inside of Exitus Elite. If you need to start for $149, go to Exitus Elite and you pay $100 for the package. Start there. And then if you need to upgrade, then upgrade later, right? You're not punished for coming in at a lower level than want to upgrade. You only pay the difference from level to level. So for a person who says, man, I want to get into those high ticket commissions, I want to make those $2,000 commissions, I just don't have the money. Where you can start at a lower cost, right? If you look at a lot of companies today, majority of them are around $100 to $200, okay? So start there, then put in the work, put in the action, and then upgrade when you're ready. Don't worry about starting off slow, okay? Listen, when we were babies, we didn't come in walking. We didn't come in running, right? What we started doing, first we started scooting. A lot of people started scooting. Then we started crawling. Then we started walking before we were able to run. We had to go through the process, even growing up. That's the same thing when it comes to online business, okay? There's not a huge difference in that. So don't worry about it. Go at your own pace. Don't compare yourself to nobody else. Who cares what they're doing? Their money is their money. You can't spend it. So go make the money you can spend. Go make the money for you and your family. That's what it's about. Why are you doing this? For you and your family. So go with that. My name is Uncle Petty. Talk to you soon.